Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix the Bosch microwave error code E1006 in 2025. So the Bosch microwave error code E1006 typically indicates a problem with the microwave's door latch sensor or door switch, which may prevent the microwave from operating safely. Now here's the step-by-step fix guide for you. The first step is unplug the microwave. The step first, always disconnect power before troubleshooting. Wait a minute before proceeding to reset internal electronics. Now step 2 is inspect the door latch mechanism. The open and close the microwave door firmly several times. Then look for misaligned or stuck latches and cracks or damage on the latch hook. Clean any food debris or grease around the latch area. Then check the door switch. The E1006 error may be due to a faulty door switch not detecting the door status. You may need to open the outer panel only if comfortable and safe, and test the switch using a multimeter. Like switch should show opportunity when pressed. If defective, then replace the door switch. Then reset the microwave. After checking the door and the switch, plug the microwave back in. Try operating it again. If error E1006 persists, proceed to the next step. Now, fifth step is contact Bosch support. If the issue continues, the problem might lie with the control board or sensor wiring. Now, call Bosch customer service or a licensed technician for a professional inspection. Now, here is the additional tips for you. Avoid slamming the microwave door, which can damage latch component. Regularly clean and inspect the door area to prevent future issues. Let me know if there is any confusion left yet. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching. Till next time.